We're going to start with those mega cap tech earnings and Wall Street's search for winners and losers after a week of hyperscaler quarterly reports. It's been a lot, but Mackenzie Sagales has more in today's Tech Check, sorting it all out for us. Hi, Mac.
Hey, Court. Amazon's now locking in gains, up nearly 11% after earnings showed that it is fighting back hard to hold on to its #1 spot in the cloud wars. It's the last of the hyperscaler prints, and the clearest takeaway isn't just who's spending, it's who's convincing the market that they can turn AI infrastructure into real business. Amazon and Alphabet are winning public sentiment, with investors backing their AI roadmaps and early signs of monetization. Microsoft, it's still posting the strongest cloud growth, but its stock slipped despite a solid quarter. And Meta, a beat on the top and bottom line, but that stock logging its worst drop since 2022 as the street questions whether its massive AI capex bet will actually pay off, especially given that it doesn't have a cloud service. Now, Amazon, it has a clean narrative for the street, a re-acceleration in cloud thanks to AI customers like Anthropic. AWS surging 3 points to more than 20%, its fastest pace of growth in 3 years. And the company guiding to a record $210 billion Q4, which really goes to show that AI's infrastructure era has a new reality check. Amazon is pouring unprecedented capital into its in-house AI stack with a run rate that is neck and neck with Microsoft at $140 billion, but it is also showing that it's going to make up for it in revenue thanks to its in-house AI chips that undercut NVIDIA's models on pricing by up to 40%. So this earnings season really delivering a clear message. Hyperscaler success isn't just measured in dollars. Wall Street is watching for who can translate CapEx ambitions into ROI, and only a few are passing the test, guys.
It's really fascinating stuff, Mackenzie. I mean, looking at that wall, I was just sort of staring at those numbers and seeing just such a high amount for Alphabet. While, of course, we've mentioned Apple is on the low side, but their tactics are different, on top of others criticizing Apple for being a little bit further behind when it comes to AI.
Well, that's been the big narrative here, the fact that a few of these players don't have an AI strategy beyond being a cloud service. So
sure.
Alphabet, they are baking AI into a lot of their products, agentic e-commerce capabilities in Chrome. But Amazon and Microsoft, they're looking to win by basically bringing all these AI customers in-house. And Microsoft, you know, it just landed a $250 billion deal with OpenAI, guaranteed compute. So they've got them as a customer. But Google, they're signing Meta. They're signing OpenAI. They just signed a deal with Anthropic for tens of billions of dollars just last week.